Another matter don sup o. The Emiloko, one of Africa, don file another suit again in the US. You know say the first one na to stop the Chicago State University from releasing his academic record wey be say last as they drag am finish, e lose am wey yawa take gas like this. Now e don enter court again. We dey even dey beg am o, say chief calm down. E no gree o, e say dey in the gaba, say e must go court like this. You know say because of this drug issue wey dem dey accuse am before, wey be say PDP and Labour Party dey find more evidence to take back up the one wey dem get. But the people wey get those evidence wey for release am, wey be FBI, CIA, Drug Law Enforcement Agency, dem no gree release those documents. Now our own investigative journalist wey be David Akpajiomi Hundeyin don go file freedom of information in the US since last year. Say make dem release the information, say we need to see. Now they don gree. The FBI come say okay, say they go release 2,500 pages starting from the ending of this month wey be October. They go dey release am 500. Immediately when they talk that one, now CIA come say, wetin dey happen? Say they go release their own o. Drug Law Enforcement come say they go release their own o. Na the thing do chief for ear. Pa! He come rush, he come go. We dey beg am, chief calm down. You no gree o. He say nehi gaba, say you no go gree. He don take move now to stop them from releasing those documents, make e no come to public domain. We dey even dey hear keep now say some of the information wey dey this FBI matter go clear say Emiloko no near Chicago State University sef. Una say wahala be like wetin? In fact, calm down, make I read and give you from the People's Gazette. President Bola Tinubu is in yet another scramble to block records relating to him from being disclosed by the Federal Bureau of Investigation, the Central Intelligence Agency, and other United States services. Court filings seen by the People's Gazette shown Mr. Tinubu's lawyer in the US have filed motion to appear in an ongoing Freedom of Information brought against the US organizations where records that may help answer questions about the president's real identity and decade-long endeavor are domiciled. Christopher Carmichael, one of the lawyers who represented Mr. Tinubu in the recent Chicago record case, filed a motion dated October 18, 2023, stating that he was a lawyer in good standing to appear in the case in the FOIA lawsuit underway in Washington, D.C., filings said. Pursuant to Civil Local Rules 82.2c, Brian A. Corey moved for the admission and appearance of attorney Christopher Carmichael, pro hac vice in the above entitled action. Mr. Corey, who practiced in D.C., said on Mr. Carmichael's behalf, this motion is supported by declaration of Christopher Carmichael as set forth in Mr. Carmichael's declaration. He is admitted and an active member in good standing. What information Mr. Tinubu's expectation that he could block U.S. agencies from complying with federal disclosure regulation remained unclear. Mr. Carmichael did not immediately return a request seeking comment, and the president's lead lawyer in the U.S., Oluwole Afolabi, told the Gazette he could not comment on the case until it has officially commenced. The lawyers would work to file a full argument soonest in order to stand a chance of being able to argue any relief before the October 31 deadline. Mr. Tinubu was alerted to the lawsuit when the Gazette reported on September 11 that the FBI has agreed to turn over 2,500 pages of response information on the Nigerian leader. The president was previously investigated for narcotics trafficking in the US in the 1990s, during which he was compelled to forfeit $460,000 via a federal court order in Chicago. The FBI said it was planning to release the record before the end of October to Aaron Greenspan, the operator of the Plain Sight, a website that pushes anti-corruption and transparency in public service, the Gazette reported. Several other U.S. institutions, including the U.S. State Department, International Revenue Service, and Drug Enforcement Administration, has all indicated readiness to turn over thousands of pages of Bola Tinubu's related records. Mr. Tinubu's move came 2 weeks after he lost a fierce battle to block a federal court in Chicago from releasing his academic record to Atiku Abubakar, his main political rival in Nigeria. The school ultimately released the record, which shows that a certain Bola Tinubu was admitted into the school in 1977. Still, the school said it only assumed, based on cursory look at record, that its former student was the Nigerian president, but also said under oath that it could not authenticate the certificate he used to run for office in Nigeria in June. Shebi una don hear am, we don beg Chief Emilokon. We don beg am tire, he no gree. Say he must stop them, so he don go court like this. Na the matter we dey settle since o. Let me know what you think on the comment section, and make sure say you share this video so that others will see it, because magana like this, e no dey finish. Thank you for listening and for watching. I'm gonna see you on the next one. God's will, signing out.